Hi there. Welcome to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to withdraw money from Gumroad. Let's face it, whether you're a creator selling digital products or a seller offering unique services, getting access to your earnings on Gumroad is essential. The last thing you want is to struggle with complicated steps or face unnecessary delays when you need your funds. That's why in today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through the process of withdrawing your money from Gumroad, step by step, ensuring it's as smooth and stress-free as possible. All right, let's dive into it. The first step you need to take is to ensure you're logged into your Gumroad account. This might seem obvious, but it's the gateway to accessing all the features you need, including withdrawing your funds. Once you're logged in, you'll need to find the settings option. Now, depending on how your Gumroad interface is set up, you might spot this in the main menu or under your profile icon. Take a moment to look around and find it. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll be taken to a page brimming with options for configuring various aspects of your Gumroad account. Don't let this overwhelm you. Our focus today is solely on the Payments section. So go ahead and click on Payments to move forward in the process. This step is crucial because it's where you decide how you want to withdraw your funds. Now you have two main choices for withdrawing your money: directly to your bank account or through PayPal. Each option has its own benefits and might suit different needs. For example, if you prefer having immediate access to your funds through your bank, that might be the best route. On the other hand, PayPal offers flexibility if you're dealing with international transactions or prefer using PayPal services. If you choose to transfer money directly to your bank account, it's important to make sure that every piece of your banking information is entered correctly in this section. Double-check your bank account number, routing number, and any other details to avoid any mishaps during the transaction process. A small error here can lead to delays or even failed transactions, so take your time to get it right. Alternatively, if PayPal is your preferred method, there are a few additional steps you might need to take. First, ensure that your PayPal account is linked to your Gumroad account. If you haven't done this already, you'll need to go through the linking process. Also, confirm that the email address you have on file with Gumroad matches the one associated with your PayPal account. A quick double check here can save you from any potential issues or delays in receiving your funds. Once you've set your preferred payment method, take a moment to confirm that all of your settings are correct. It's always a good idea to periodically review your settings to ensure everything is up to date. This is especially important if you've recently changed your bank account details or PayPal information. Regular checks can help prevent future headaches and ensure that your withdrawals continue smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the steps required to withdraw your money from Gumroad. By following these detailed instructions, you can now easily access the funds you've worked so hard to earn through your creative or business endeavors. Remember, keeping your financial information secure and monitoring your transactions regularly can provide you with extra peace of mind. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to withdraw money from Gumroad, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.